So a couple of weeks ago, I picked up a JDM Classic, and it's been about 2 weeks, and it arrives today from Florida. It's almost 10 o'clock, and I think I hear it outside. So I'm pretty excited for my package that came today. It's this little filter I got for the breather, and look how small it is. It could probably go over your finger. Like, pretty cute. Yeah, because right now there's a hole, and then I'm just gonna put this on top of it. So it's only been a couple of weeks, and then I think that I just started going wild with ordering parts because I want to make the car as reliable as possible. Since I've gotten the car with already a K20 swap, it doesn't have any power steering or AC. I figured that'd be the first thing I tried to tackle. So usually these projects take a couple of months, but surprisingly, we're trying to finish this car as soon as possible. So let's see what we got. This is from Hybrid Racing. Hybrid Racing is like mostly what the car parts, most of the parts that came out of the car came from. So I'm just following that trend and getting most of my parts from Hybrid Racing too to finish it off. Let's see what we got here. I don't even know what. I ordered these parts about 2 weeks ago, but I don't even remember what I ordered. So it's like a surprise when it came. Oh, sweet. So remember how I complained about there was a giant hole in my shifter? Hybrid Racing actually makes this to go into it to cover it, but there's going to be a hole, but the hole's a lot smaller. So that's exciting. Let's see what this is. Oh, I got a new shifter to replace our OEM shifter. I don't remember about that. So first thing we'll do is actually replace the shifter knob and the trim cover. It should be pretty simple. Like usually to replace the shifter, you actually have to remove the trim, and then this trim actually comes with two screws up in front on each side, and then this thing would be one here and one in the back on both sides. And to get access to those bolts, you would have to remove this chair back and forth to get access. So you know, get the front, get the back, and you're good. So once you remove that, this thing just pops right off. You're gonna have to pull the e-brake up. So this comes right off. Let's see here. 1, 2 there, and 2 here. Actually, 3. 1, 2, 3, and that should come right off. We're also replacing the shifter knob, so this should be easy. Looking at it, it should just be screw off. And you're done. After removing the shifter trim, it should be pretty simple installing this shifter cover. It looks like there's 2 tabs on the bottom and 2 holes on top. So it should, and looking under, you can see where the tabs go, which is on bottom, and the 2 screw holes on top. So you could just slip it in and then just get yourself screws. And it looks like just get those screws out. Pretty simple install, just 2 screws on the back end. And for 50 bucks, you can make the bigger hole into a smaller hole. installing is always the opposite of removing. So let's just put this here. You might have to change gears to make it fit. Goes right in. You snap it back on. Cool. And then let's install our shifter. Yeah, I mean, it looks better. Hole's a lot smaller. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I just wish it didn't cost over $100 for it though. But I think it's worth it just to make it look a lot cleaner. Can finally hit VTEC. Be like,